Are you shy or hesitant to use your own voice for YouTube videos? Or maybe you just want a professional sounding voice without having to hire a voice artist? Well, you're not alone. Today, I'll show you how to use ElevenLabs, a cutting-edge AI tool that generates human-like voices perfect for YouTube. It's simple, customizable, and opens up endless possibilities for content creators like you. Stick around, and let's unlock the power of AI to bring your ideas to life. When you visit the ElevenLabs website, this is the page you'll see. Simply click on Get Started Free to begin. Next, create your account. Once you're onboarded, you'll land on your homepage. On the left, you'll see a menu with options like text-to-speech, voice changer, voices, sound effects, and many other tools, organized under various categories. On the right, you'll find options to select a voice, choose a model, and adjust settings like stability, similarity, and style exaggeration to customize the voice to your needs. There are various voices to choose from. Click on the Default tab to access voices that don't require a premium plan. I'll be going with Brian, but feel free to choose whichever voice you like. In the middle of the page, you'll see a text box where you can type the content you want to convert. After typing, click Generate Speech to turn your text into a voice.
Here is how you can use ElevenLabs to generate voiceovers for your YouTube channel.
Click the download icon to save your generated voice.